So here I am out in a full day. It's like 75 degrees, but there's tons of work to do when you own a yard like this one. I'm starting to cut things down like this. The freeze came last week, and a lot of things just died automatically. So now all of a sudden the work's cut out. So I'm out here on a beautiful day, getting exercise, and just enjoying nature. Make sure you get outside and rake some leaves, or do anything you can to bend over, stand up, stretch, move your body parts. It's really, really important, especially as we get older, for the arthritis that starts to set in. The more we move our body parts, the more we feel better. So for Nancy the MP, check out my YouTube channel, Caregiver Success. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and let's keep getting older together as caregivers. Okay? Take care. God bless.